Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can fix the verification code which you are not receiving in your phone. The first thing which you need to do is just put your phone into an airplane mode by going to the settings. Let me do it again. Okay, you need to go to your phone and settings, and there's an airplane mode. Just turn it on and you can put your phone into an airplane mode and then turn it off again. It will restart everything and you'll probably get your verification code very easily. Another way to do it, just swipe up from here and you can put your phone into airplane mode like this, and then after doing this it will go back. Then in 90% cases it will fix it up, but if it still isn't fixing, you can send it to your mail, and make sure you check the spam and junk email into the email section of your phone. Another thing which you need to take care of, that your phone should not be into do not disturb mode, which you need to check. And the last thing which you need to see is just go to your settings, and then you need to go to the apps. Under the apps you need to find out the phone app, and after going to the phone app, make sure that you can see that silence unknown caller. Just make sure that it is off, it isn't enable. And another thing which you need to check is make sure that your contact which you're sending you a code must not be into the block list or block contact. So that's the only way you can fix the verification code which you are not receiving in your phone. I hope this video helped you out in fixing the issues in your iPhone. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. I hope this video helped you in your experience to your iPhone. Bye bye.